range is super wide. But I think if you're coming in as a, first year fundraising associate, I think you'd still be stepping up from what you were getting paid at a bank as a second year analyst, but you wouldn't be stepping up as much as if you were going into an investment professional role.
Like at a PE fund or
something. At a
something.
PE fund, right? Like I think on average I think that's probably
so it's still like it's maybe just not as an accelerated.
That's right.
Okay, got it.
That's right. And the curve, it flattens out over time.
That's
and I think that maybe it's, over time, the top IR professional doesn't get paid as much as a top investment professional, certainly.
Right, because they're not getting care. They're not. Are they? Are you guys?
Typically people would get care, but you're not going to get as much, right? Because you're, but it's still going to be a very lucrative career path. Like it's not.
You're getting carry, it can be lucrative if the fund does well.
Right.